Hi everybody, in this video I will continue setting up my local development environment for running a Scala application, particularly targeting the Scala web application template from Wiringbits. In the previous video we followed the steps to loading the GitHub website for the project, then we loaded the docs, and then we loaded how to set up the development environment. We have set up SDK manager in order to pick up the correct Java version on every project, and we are now going to set up a node version manager, which is super useful because JavaScript is everywhere. Before that, let me just proceed to install SVT because I missed that in the previous video. So I'm going to launch a terminal. I'm going to launch this command that is going to install the latest SVT version, and then I'm going to follow the setup for the node version manager. So here we have the instructions for setting up the NVM. This is not the only software that allows you to switch between node versions, but it has worked pretty nicely for us. And similarly to SDK man, it allows picking automatically the node version given a file. This is for SDK man that sets the Java version on the project, and this nvm rc is for the node version manager. So in most of the projects we work with, one of the first things is also setting up nvm version so that we do not have issues related to the node version that is being used by the project. So let me proceed to the installation from the official documentations. So this claims that we can just invoke this script after SVT has been installed. So I'm going to paste this thing right here, and we're going to wait a little bit. This claims that this has been installed, and this is also claiming that we need wait, this has already appended the string to the C shell resource file as well. So it says that we need to restart the terminal. So let me quickly verify. That's our resource file. I'm going to move to the bottom, and indeed it has already modified my C shell resource directory, resource file, apologize. So it has the bash completion, and it also has how to run. It is also loading nvm after running it, but this is not enough. So I'm going to quit the terminal session. I'm going to move back to the project, and if you pay attention, there is nothing claiming that we have set the correct node version that is specified by the nvm rc file. So for that we have this automatically call nvm on usage, which is like this, and this is claiming that we need to put this into our bash resource file, but given that we are using a C shell, we need to edit the C shell resource file instead. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to go to the bottom. Pressing letter O is going to insert a new line and enter into the editor mode. So in theory, I will just copy this. I'm not sure why this is behaving weirdly in my computer. Oh my god. Nope. Wait. Automatically use. Put the following at the end of the bash RC. And then we have something specific for C shell. So put this in C shell and call NBS automatically whenever the enter directory. Okay, it's simpler for C shell than it is for bash. So I will take this this snippet. I will paste it right here, and I will add a comment just in case if I forget for any reason. Like this. Then I'm going to save this file. I'm going to reload my terminal, And if everything worked the way that we expected, when moving to the directory of the template, having the nvmrc file, then the necessary node version is being installed automatically for us, and we are switching automatically to switch a version 2. So this is super useful. I guess this is a double dash. Yep, here we go. We have the correct version. Then this is one step less related to getting our development environment properly set up. And then what's next, we need to use yarn, which is the alternative package manager to npm. So yarn is not found, but in theory running this could be enough to get yarn installed in this specific version. So let me see. Yep, it is there. 1.22.19, but similar. Anyway, so we are done for now. Stay tuned for the next video.